Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class of computers. In previous class, I had explained computer system, meaning of hardware, and explained the input devices. In today's class, I am going to explain output devices. Output devices enable the computer to show the desired result and information. Meaning of enable is providing ability. Desired result, desired means the manner in which you want. Thus this output devices is providing ability to the computer so that it can give the result in the manner in which you want it. That result and information, any kind of result and information will be provided by the computer system. You already know about the most commonly used output devices. Means most commonly output devices we are having monitor and speaker. Here we are having monitor and speakers. Now here we are talking about the desired result and information. This desired result or information can be in a manner of song, it can be any kind of image, it can be a written document. Whenever we want any kind of result, we must have that kind of output device also. Suppose we are having monitor here, monitor which will be helpful for us to have the result in a manner of image or something in a written manner. Speaker we can use if we want to hear any song, if you want to hear something, sound you want to hear, that time speaker will be used. Then we are having printers. Printer will be used when we want something, that any image you want or any information in a written you want in on paper, that time printer will be used. Now there are mainly three types of printer: dot matrix printer, ink inkjet printer, and laser printer. First I am going to explain dot matrix printer. This is the dot matrix printer, you can see. This printer contains movable print head with pins that strike the ribbon, placing a dot on the paper with hundreds of dots forming images or text. So this printer is helping us to have that image or text on a paper. Now how it works, it is containing many small pins that it's striking. Striking means that is hitting the ribbon that is placing a dot on the paper. Same process is going on and hundreds of dots are forming there, and that is forming any image or text. These printers are less expensive but are very noisy. This kind of printers are less expensive, mean they are not expensive, less expensive they are, but very noisy. Why these are noisy? Because as it is containing print, that pins there, and that pins are striking the ribbon, this striking or hitting on the ribbon will make the noise. That is why it is very noisy. The speed of this printer is given in CPS. CPS means characters per second. Now when we want to calculate the speed, that will be calculated on the basis of that how many characters it is printing per second. Second is inkjet printer. This printer forms letters and images on the paper by spraying small streams of quick drying ink. Now these kind of printers, here you can see the picture, inkjet printer. These printers are not having the pins there. This is working on the process of spraying small streams, small, that spraying is doing there, and that ink is quick drying inks, means as it is spraying on that paper, it will quickly dried off. The speed of the printer is given in LPM, that is lines per minute. We can calculate the speed of the printer on the basis of that how many lines it is printing per minute. Third, we are having laser printer. This printer uses large laser technology to print images on the paper. Now this printer, it is not having pins that will strike on paper, on the ribbon, nor it is having any kind of ink. That previous printer, it was having quick drying ink. This printer is having laser technology. Laser technology means intense narrow beam of light that will be passed through that paper, and that images will be printed on the paper. This give the best quality output and are most expensive. This kind of printers are giving very best quality. Why? Because it is not having any kind of ink there. Very smoothly, very beautifully that particular images will be on that paper. It is most expensive. Why it is expensive? Because it is not uh, having that old kind of traditional technology as that ink was there. It is having an expensive technology as laser beam will pass. That laser is a kind of expensive technology. That is why this printer is most expensive than the dot matrix printer and inkjet printer. The speed of printer is given in ppm, and its speed will be calculated on the basis of that pages per minute, means how many pages this printer will print per minute. Beside this, we are having some more output devices. They are plotter. Plotter, this output device is used for making large paper drawings such as construction maps or engineering drawings. Plotters are divided into three types. The first, we will see the meaning of plotter here. Plotter is a device which is used for making large paper drawing. Now, as we have studied earlier regarding printer, with the help of printer, we can easily take out the print on a small paper like A4 size paper or a paper little bit larger than that. But when we want that any print, any drawing on a large paper, then this kind of plotter will be used. Especially this kind of plotter are used by the construction map, that engineers they are using this map, that plotters. Now this plotter is divided into three types. First is drum plotter, second is flatbed plotter, third is inkjet plotter. Now here first we can see the picture of drum plotter. This is drum plotter. Now this plotter consists of a drum or roller on which a paper is placed, and drum rotates back and forth to produce the graph on the paper. Now how it works? This plotter, it is having a drum or a roller on which that paper will be placed, and this drum, it will rotates back and forth. It will go back and then it will come in front again, and likewise it will make the graph. This kind of plotter is uh, using or used to produce continuous output, means once it will be started, it will continue give on that result, continue. This kind of drum plotter will be used for plotting earthquake activities. Second, we are having flatbed plotter. This is the picture of flatbed plotter. Now this plotter plots a paper that is spread or fixed over a rectangular flatbed table. Now here you can see this is a rectangular flatbed table. The paper will be placed on that, spread on that, and it will be fixed. After that, this plotter will start the work, and that image of any cars, ship, aircraft, building and highways will be made. Third, we are having inkjet plotter. This plotter creates an image by spraying small droplets of ink on the paper. Now, see this. This is the picture of inkjet plotter. Now here you can see that paper has been fixed here, and how it works. This plotter, it creates an image. How it is creating image? It is creating image with the spraying small droplets of ink. Small droplets of ink will be sprayed on this paper, and then image will be made. This kind of plotter will be used in designing banners, billboards. Billboard means large board of advertisement. You might have seen that across or beside that roads, and road signs. Road signs have been made with the help of this kind of inkjet plotter. LCD projector. This output device is used to display videos, images, and computer data on a larger screen. Suppose if you want to see any kind of video or image that you can easily see on that monitor of that any computer, or if you want to see any kind of data that you can see on the monitor, but if you want the same kind of video or images or any computer data on larger screen, then we have to use this LCD projector. It projects an image onto the surface by passing light over an LCD panel. Now what it is doing, it is projecting an over a LCD panel. It is used while giving presentation. Now when this kind of LCD projector will be used, suppose you might have seen any presentation or any meeting going on. There somebody wants to explain something, and that time the data, computer data or any image they want to show in front of the people, that time this kind of LCD projector will be used. You might have seen this LCD projector in computer laboratory also. There we have placed this LCD projector, and with the help of that teachers are explaining their topics.